again, my lovely students. In today's lesson, we are going to study this story, so let's just listen.
Last Sunday, it was Nanny's birthday. She visited her sister. It was a lovely sunny day. They wanted to go for a walk on the beach. They walked to a big cave. It looked very scary. Inside the cave, they discovered a very big footprint.
Is it a monster's footprint? I don't know.
Suddenly, something jumped from behind a big rock. They both screamed. I'm so sorry.
Oh, he's not a monster. He's a diver.
Yes, he isn't a monster, he's a diver. So now read the story again and click yes or no. Nanny's birthday was last Sunday. Last Sunday. Yes, last Sunday it was Nanny's birthday. Yes. She visited her sister. She visited her sister. Yes, she visited her sister. So yes. They wanted to go to the funfair. Funfair? No. They walked to the beach, not to the funfair, so no. They discovered a big fish. Big fish? No. But a big footprint, not a big fish. So no, it's false. Okay, now cover the story and put the sentences in the right order. So we are going to reorder these sentences to form the story. Okay, so the first sentence, it will be Nanny. Yes, Nanny visits her sister on her birthday. This is the first one. And which one is the second? Nanny visits her sister on her birthday. Then they go for a walk on the beach. This is the second, I think. Yeah, F. They go for a walk on the beach. Then they walk into a big cave. They walk into a big cave. Then they find a big footprint inside the cave. Yes, then suddenly something jumps from behind a big rock. Yes, this is correct. Then they both scream. And the last one, it's a diver. It's a diver. It isn't a monster, it's a diver. Okay, so that's it. Now let's move. Here, listen and read. Make a new dialogue with your friend. Okay, so this is the dialogue. Listen.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I visited my cousin.
Oh, really? And what did you do?
We decided to go for a walk on the beach.
How nice.
And guess what? We discovered some really strange footprints.
Wow.
Okay, so that's it. I want you to write or rewrite this dialogue, but with changing the locations. Okay, like visited my cousin. You can write something else, not my cousin, maybe my friend or my uncle or someone. Okay, so just try to visit this. Okay, we decided to go for a walk on the beach, or we decided to go to the cinema or to the theater or whatever you want, just to try to change these words. And guess what? We discovered some really strange footprints. So try to change this also. What did you discover? Okay. Okay, we have here an example.
How was your weekend?
It was great. I visited my grandma and grandpa.
Oh, really? And what did you do?
We decided to go swimming.
How nice.
And guess what? We discovered a cave on the beach.
Wow.
Okay, so here we discovered a cave on the beach. We discovered a cave, they said, or he said, we discovered a cave on the beach. So you can write something else. Okay, so it's up to you. Now let's move. Yes, here.
Baby,
Baby,
bird,
bird,
vine,
vine,
valley.
valley. Okay, so baby, bird, vine, valley. Okay, so we're going to put them in a sentence. This is it.
The baby bird was on a vine in the valley.
The baby bird was on a vine in the valley. Try to repeat it. Thank you very much for your listening and see you in another class.